Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Zoom on mobile. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Zoom app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any confusion. Step 2. Once you're in the app, you'll see various options at the bottom menu. Look for the Schedule option and tap on it. Step 3. In the Schedule Meeting menu, start by typing your meeting name at the top. Then select the date on which you'd like to schedule your meeting. Step 4. Next, tap on the From option to set the start time of your meeting. After that, tap on the To option to select the end time. Step 5. Once everything is set, tap on the Done button at the top right corner and wait a few seconds to view your meeting details. Step 6. Now, to invite others to your meeting, tap on the Invite option. Then simply copy the meeting link. Step 7. If you want to invite friends to join your meeting, go back to the home screen and open any social media app, such as WhatsApp. Step 8. Select the person you want to invite, paste the meeting link into the chat, and send it. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting on your mobile. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.